I'm adding some black crushed peppers.
Hello! So today, me, father and son are making the delicious and easy English breakfast. So Dad, do you have anything to say then?
It's a very perfect breakfast. I will show to my friends step by step how to prepare a delicious English breakfast. Today, my son will introduce the ingredients of English breakfast.
Alright then, 2 pieces of turkey bacon, 2 sausages, butter mushrooms, 2 eggs, the crushed black pepper, olive oil, really nice, 2 tomatoes, baked beans, unsalted butter, and finally salt. Alright Dad, what's next?
Next, heat the frying pan over a medium heat. Then I'm going to add olive oil and half amount of butter into that. Just add butter. Then add olive oil. Then sausages. Saute around 30 seconds. Then turkey bacon, 2 pieces. Again, then cook around 30 seconds again. Then turn the bacon into other side. Now I'm going to saute the mushroom into the same pan. Then around little amount of salt. Also just sprinkle some black pepper powder. Then keep all mushroom aside the frying pan. Then the same pan again I am going to add 2 tomatoes. After 1 minute I am going to turn the tomatoes into other side. Like this. Then keep aside.
In the same frying pan, my father is adding the 2 eggs.
I'm adding some black crushed peppers. Now sprinkle some salt as well.
Okay Dad, so when will this get completely cooked?
It will take around 30 seconds.
Oh. Wait Dad, so what should we do with these baked beans?
Baked beans, I am going to microwave it around 30 seconds.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay then.
Now I am plating the breakfast. Like this.
I kept my baked beans in the corner and now it looks perfectly delicious. Now we must toast the bread. Okay, so it's ready then. Okay, the bread you see on the right side, right? My dad has cut into 2 triangular pieces. My breakfast is ready.
Harish, this is your breakfast. Go
Oh,
ahead.
thank you. So let's try it out then. I'll
Try
eat
it.
the sausages first.
Okay. It's a very simple preparation. I prepare everything in only one frying pan. Everyone can prepare in your home as well.
You know what? The sausage is really juicy. Wow. Then I'll try this as well.
Okay, great. Okay, my friends, did you see how I prepare the English breakfast? Please go ahead accordingly and you never regret, you really love it. Enjoy your breakfast.
And you will enjoy as much as how I enjoyed this 1 second ago.
Make sure, very easy. Go ahead.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. It's a real support for us. Bye.
Thank you.